Hello, this is Jacob, November 9 or Uniform India, and today we're going to be installing a pair of tubes in this Heathkit SB-201. I got a pair of tubes from Pinta Laboratories here. I'll go ahead and open one up. As you can see, it's a really well packaged tube there. And that's our new tube. Let's go ahead and get it installed. Alright, I just got the amplifier opened up here. Now, before we continue and actually replace these tubes, I just want to emphasize how dangerous this actually is. Because if you make one wrong move, it could very well be fatal. Now, on that note, right now I have the amplifier unplugged. I've drained the capacitors, and now let's just make sure there isn't any high voltage on the tubes here. Now, what I'm going to do is actually short that pin there to ground. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now you want to do each of these separately for good measure. Alright, didn't hear any pops or see any sparks, so we're doing something good. So let's go ahead and remove our clips here and actually get this tube removed. Now, I may be quiet in some parts of this process, just because some of these parts here are extremely fragile. So let's go ahead and remove this tube and just be very gentle with it. And just slow and whew. Now, a little nerve-wracking, I'll admit. Ooh, not my proudest moment. Okay. Now this thing is keyed. Okay, went in easy. Let's go ahead and take our connector here and just put that back on. Whew. Okay, now we just have one more to do, and I'll go ahead and just zoom the camera in there so kind of see what's going on a little more. I definitely know someone's going to have a comment about how I removed that tube there, but that's alright. Everyone's entitled to their opinion, I guess. See, that one came out quite easy. And here are the, oh, I'm zoomed in. I'll show you the tubes here in a moment. The ones that came out of the amplifier. Ooh, inlet. Are we not focused? Okay. And just like that other one, still keyed. Push on the left.
I think this one's just keyed a little different. Oh yeah, looks like a big hole, so that's not, oh, not like that. Let's speed this process up a bit. Or
Not the process, but the video. Okay. Got our tube in that time. Alright. Now, at this point, let's go ahead and do the sketchy part and go ahead and get this thing plugged in. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out on those tubes a little bit. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Okay, make sure they don't fill with smoke. Alright. Let me turn my heater off there. 2400 volts. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for a few moments and let's see what it's doing. Alright, I just got the amplifier tuned up here for 20 meters. And as you can see, we're putting out about 500 to 600 watts there, which I'm really happy with. Looks like these Penta tubes are performing. I'm still going to let them break in some before I actually, you know, go full gas there. Though, thanks for watching, and 73.